Hello, dear viewers. How are you all? Very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. I hope so you all are fine, good, and enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So, dear friends, today in this video, I'm going to share with you beautiful collection and fashionable ideas of sweater style dresses for upcoming seasons. So, in this video, you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of Kenite style sweater dresses, different styles, different colors combinations, and amazing stitching techniques. So you will be find out bodycon style sweater dresses, you will be find out straight cut styles, you will be find out mermaid styles, sweater dresses, two-piece style dresses, skirt style dresses. You will be find out midi dresses and long dresses. So you will carry these styles of dresses for your winter season and for your party wears, even for your casual wears, daily wears. If you love to wear sweater style dresses, if you love to carry out sweater dresses, so these are the best and latest collection and latest ideas of sweater dresses today I have collected for you in this video. So dear friends, must watch video till the end. Very beautiful, stylish and classic collection are coming up next in this video. Different sleeve designs, different neck design ideas, and different styles of dresses. I love all these designs of dresses, and I hope so you are going to love these designs. You are going to love these styles of sweater dresses. So must watch video till the end. And if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of sweater dresses, so please, dear ladies and girls, dear friends, do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses for upcoming seasons, for fashionable dresses. And please, if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear friends, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs of classy and fashionable style sweater dresses. Which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section which type of more video you want to watch on my channel, which type of more ideas you want to watch, or which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel related to women fashions and girls fashions dresses ideas. So on my channel you will be find out different and unique styles of dresses and top shirt designs, blouses designs, maxi style dresses, mother of the bride dresses, skirt outfit ideas for ladies and girls. So you will be find our party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses, different and unique ideas and unique styles. So must watch my channel and watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you, and you are going to exploring more and more amazing ideas, and you will find out those videos very useful and helpful for you. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection of dresses. So as you can see, different and unique styles of sweater dresses. You will find skater dresses, midi dresses, long dresses, two-piece style dresses, skirt style dresses, pullover style dresses, bodycon style dresses. So a lot new ideas and new designs of dresses you are going to explore in this video. So must watch video till the end, dear friends. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. I'm very thankful to you if you are sharing your opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. I will be very thankful to you. So much share your opinions in the comment section. So goodbye, dear ladies and girls, till the next video.